guys, here we go again. We are back. Raw. Let me fix this here. We got a decent pile. Definitely look decent. All kinds of cool stuff. See? Metal heater. See it? Brakes, brackets. Which one of the brakes? I think the brackets. The rackets. How's everybody doing this morning? Look, ceiling fan. That's the way to start it out. Let's see here. Vacuum. That's heavy. Yeah. Well, it's been a while, guys. It's got busy. Desk. There's a lot of metal under it. Well, that's pretty. It's got some metal, but not very much. A little of that metal. There you go. Big old pile of it. Ooh, that's a good, well, good pile. Oh, it's marble or something. Metal. Save it. Oh, that's John Wayne. Huh. I think I must have table up. Oh no, it was. Yeah, I don't see anything else good. Alright, good start. Get something else, guys. Oh, we got a filing cabinet. The bed rails. Oh, there's some bed rails. Those are old ones. There we go. Get that filing cabinet. That looks loud, doesn't it? I wonder why it's sitting like that. Oh, it's light. It's not an old one. It's real light. It's bulky. Alright, there we go. Maybe. Alright. Alright, guys. Hey, guys, you want to see why you gotta check your boxes? Here's a washer in a box. Load up box and all. Here. Maybe. That's funny. I would never have thought that, guys. Let's adjust here. Or try to. A little bit. There's a spot. A washer in a box, guys. Yes, that's exactly what you're seeing. That's the washer in a box. That's hilarious. Oh, must be more than 10 years old. The Lions. Oh, it's a different washer. Not too heavy. That's a good and a bad thing. It's not heavy. It's been a long time, guys. We'll see if we can do it still. Oh yeah. There we go. Washer in a box. Gosh Probably whacked it off. There we go. Alright. That's good, guys. Alright. If I hit you, sorry. You say hi. Say, we got a partner. Yeah. Hi. No? You ready? Alright, let's go unload it. You gonna watch? Right there. Some stuff. Lawnmower I had. Oh, it is no good. I forgot to put my that's okay. Oh, that's a heavy old bottle again. Grill and found. Ceiling fan. Bunch of cans. That is it. Yeah, that's it, guys. Alright, let's see what she weighs. Alright, guys, I know it's been a while. Try to get this better, but that'll do it. You got to see some of the stuff. I had a little helper today, but it's been pretty thin, so I got lucky and got to do a video. But we'll see you on the next one, and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and like the video. See ya. Bye.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer, no exposure, I just wanna be